Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Montessori education and exploring how the prepared environment can positively impact your toddler's development. In particular, we'll be looking at the importance of using a step stool in the Montessori environment in your household and how it can help your child develop a sense of independence and self-sufficiency. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how you can create the perfect learning space for your little one. I often get asked on how to start creating your home environment for your child and how to make it appropriate for them. Now, an important aspect of your home should be creating a child-friendly environment that encourages independence and exploration. Now, this often includes providing child-sized furniture and tools and materials that your child can use to be manipulated all on their own. So, one of the many things that you can do to prepare your toddler's environment is using a step stool. Now, this allows your child to reach items and surfaces that would otherwise be out of reach. This helps the child develop a sense of independence and self-sufficiency as they can access items they need without relying on an adult to help them. A step stool is a great way to get started with a yes space, with a space that is appropriate for your child and for them to gain independence. Safety is always a priority, so make sure that you select one that is sturdy and safe with non-slip surfaces and it has a stable base. Now, the stool should also be light enough for the child to move around on their own, but not so light that it's easily tipped over. I hope you've enjoyed this video where I share with you how my husband incorporated my daughter in the process of putting together the step stool. She was completely intrigued by seeing him use all the different tools and materials to make this a tool of her own. Now she's excited to have this access to the important things in her life, like this play kitchen. You can follow our family's Montessori in the Home adventures on our Instagram page, and I'm excited to have you here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I upload a video every Thursday, so I hope to see you here next week. Adios!